It's a sensor system. There are reports of unusual gunfights near Caracas, Venezuela's capital. Around 8 p.m. local time, an unidentified flying object, likely a drone, was seen over the presidential palace in Caracas. This wasn't just a civilian drone or an error, it actually flew through the palace's airspace. The Venezuelan military saw this as hostile and responded with gunfire, reportedly using rifles and anti-aircraft guns. Continuous gunfire was heard around the presidential palace, and there were signs that Air Force fighter jets were urgently scrambled. This means that the response went beyond a simple warning and was intended to address a real military threat. Military vehicles patrolled major roads in downtown Caracas, creating a near martial law atmosphere. 2 people were also reported injured amid the chaos. The exact cause of the injuries is unconfirmed, but they likely happened during the gunfight and military response. After the incident, images of armed soldiers controlling roads and increasing checkpoints in downtown Caracas quickly spread on social media. It appears that citizens are refraining from going out due to anxiety. What's even more shocking is that this incident occurred just a few hours after Delcy Rodriguez was sworn in as interim president. Immediately after the power transfer, during the sensitive power vacuum, an unidentified flying object appeared over the presidential palace, making it hard for many to call it a mere accident. There is speculation about an internal power struggle or outside provocation. The White House is monitoring the situation but has made clear the United States is not involved. Despite official denials, rumors and political interpretations are spreading quickly in Venezuela. Gunfire and military tensions have eased for now, but the underlying tension remains unresolved. It's only temporarily quieted. With the power transition, unstable public security, and the unclear nature of the incident all overlapping, it seems that Venezuela is still on the verge of exploding. If there are updates, I'll record and upload a new video. Ending here, thank you.